Yellow mustard. If you like to dip your snacks in a bright yellow condiment, then you might be familiar with yellow mustard. The condiment is also popularly used in hot dogs and hamburgers. Apart from the sauce, yellow mustard seeds and greens are used for culinary purposes in different parts of the world. Yellow mustard is very versatile in nature. It's available as a source or in oil, seed or powdered form, all of which offer excellent health benefits. Here are the top 5 health benefits of yellow mustard. Number 1. Relieves muscle spasms. You can use yellow mustard to get quick relief from any kind of muscle spasm, be it on the back or shoulder. It has a stimulating action on the nerves in the mouth, which in turn influences the nerves causing the spasm. It is also a good source of potassium and calcium, 2 important nutrients required for maintaining strong bones, joints and muscles. Eat 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard paste, then drink a glass of water. Repeat once daily until the spasm goes away. Number 2. Cures body aches. You can use mustard oil made from yellow mustard seeds to relieve any kind of pain, including arthritis pain. Mustard oil works against pain receptors in the body, which means it can effectively block pain signals. Warm up some mustard oil and use it to massage the painful area for 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Do this 2 or 3 times a day. You can also make a poultice from mustard seeds and apply it on the affected area. Always use a thin towel between your skin and the poultice to prevent burns. Number 3. Reduces asthma attacks. For immediate relief from an asthma attack, mustard oil is one of the best treatments that you can try at home. The oil contains several compounds that have been found to inhibit inflammation as well as infections in the body. Yellow mustard seed oil can help open the air passageways, improving lung functioning and making breathing easier. Heat 1 teaspoon of mustard oil with a little camphor. Allow it to cool down, then use it to gently rub and massage the chest and upper back. Repeat 2 or 3 times daily to help relieve asthma symptoms. Also, use organic mustard seeds or oil in your cooking as much as possible. Number 4. Fights bad breath. Yellow mustard is a simple yet effective natural ingredient to get rid of bad breath as well as alcohol breath. The strong aroma of mustard sauce will mask the bad odor coming from your mouth. Put 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard sauce in your mouth. Swish it around for 1 minute, then spit it out. Next, swallow 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce. Finally, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Use this remedy as needed. Number 5. Promotes hair growth. Mustard has many vitamins that promote strong and healthy hair growth. In particular, the presence of beta-carotene, protein, iron and calcium help a lot in keeping your hair healthy. When used as a hair oil, it stimulates hair growth by increasing blood circulation in the scalp. Warm up some mustard oil. The quantity depends on the length of your hair. Apply the oil from the roots all the way to the tips of your hair. Gently massage the oil into the scalp for at least 15 minutes. Wear a shower cap and leave it on for a couple of hours. Wash the oil out thoroughly with your regular shampoo. Repeat twice a week for best results. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.